Welcome to the video today. Today we're going to review our Fidelity Health Savings Account. This is our spreadsheet for our health savings account. If you remember from the last video, we fully funded our health savings account. The only purchases we made in August was we added 2 shares of People's United for $10.62. And then we also received 2 dividends in the month of August. We received 82 cents from Apple, and we received $7.20 from People's United. So as you can see, we have received dividends from 5 of our 6 funds that are in our health savings account. We're just waiting on Microsoft. Also, the good news with our health savings account is we are up $128.42. And we have received a total of $17.61 in dividends. If you can remember from the first video that we recorded about the health savings account, is we recently opened a health savings account with Fidelity due to our bank with our health savings account cutting our interest on our account down by 50%. So we have literally made more dividend money with our money that's in our health savings account than we did with our health savings account that has a lot more money in it for the whole year. Other than that, there's not a lot to share with our funds or to share about the health savings account. We have met the maximum amount that you can deposit into your health savings account for the year. In this account, we have $2,184.70 that we deposited into the account, which brings us up to the maximum $3,550 that you can put total into your health savings account a year for a single person. So we are basically just waiting on dividends to come, and then we are going to start funding it at the beginning of the year. One neat fact, if your payroll department is as awesome as the payroll department at the facility I work at, if you end up working overtime, you can take and deposit the whole amount of your overtime money into your health savings account, and you'll get to keep 100% of that. So if you figure out how much your overtime is, just take that amount to your payroll people and say, hey, I want to deposit this much money into my payroll or into my health savings account this month or this week, and then hopefully they'll do it for you, and then you can keep your whole overtime check. Or if you got to cash out your vacation time or anything like that, or if you get a bonus, you can just say, hey, I want to put this all in my health savings account, and then because that money goes in tax-free, you get to keep all of it. It's a neat little health savings account hack that I found out about this year. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't seen the videos about the Roth IRA and the individual Webull dividend account, make sure you check those out. Those are on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.